Good morning, students. Next, we can study about lenses. Lens means a lens is an optically transparent medium bounded by two spherical refracting surfaces or one plane and one spherical surface. Spherical means already you know that spherical shape. So the lens can be spherical shape, refracting surface. Refraction already you know that refraction means the light enter into one medium to another medium. So one plane and one spherical surface. So lens is basically classified into two types. One is convex lens, another one is concave lens. And the lens is basically classified into two types. They are convex lens and concave lens. First one is convex or biconvex lens. Bi means two. Two lenses joined together. So it is a lens bounded by two spherical surfaces such that it is thicker at the center than at the edges. So center thicker, the lens can be center thicker. Two edges compared to center thin. So a beam of light passing through it is converged to a point. So a convex lens is also called as converging lens. Converging means குவி lens, bulged outside. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்பூன் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அந்த ஸ்பூனை நீங்கள் ஆப்போசிட்டில் திருப்பி பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்கும், உப்பி நம்ம கர்வ்டு அவுட்வேர்ட்ஸ். அதே நம்ம ஸ்பூனை இப்படி ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை பார்க்கும்போது இன்சைடு பார்க்கும்போது கர்வ்டு இன்வேர்ட்ஸ் குழியாக இருக்கும். அதே ஸ்பூனை திருப்பி பார்த்தா குவியாக இருக்கும். குவி மீன்ஸ் பல்ஜான மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த பல்ஜாக இருக்க ஸ்பேஸு தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோன்னா கான்வெக்ஸ் lens. Like that the lens can be. So concave lens, next one is or biconcave lens. It is a lens bounded by two spherical surfaces such that is thinner at the center than at the edges. So in center the lens can be thinner, between two edges thicker. So a parallel beam of light passing through it, it is diverged or spread out. So a convex lens is also called as diverging lens. Next, other types of lenses: plano-convex lens, plano-concave lens. What is meant by plano-convex lens? If one of the faces of biconvex lens is plane, it is known as plano-convex lens. And then plano-concave lens it is one of the faces of a biconcave lens is plane, it is known as plano-concave lens. Then other types of lenses, we know that first one is converging lenses. Converging means convex lens. First one is convex lens. The first picture is convex lens, only one half. Biconvex lens means two lenses combined, that is called as biconvex lens. And plano-convex lens means half portion. And positive meniscus, this is the positive meniscus lens. And then diverging lenses. Diverging means concave lens. This is, so look at the picture. First one is converging lenses, second one. So thicker at the middle, thinner at the edges. And then diverging lens, first picture and second picture, look at this. And center thinner and two edges thicker. This is the concave lens. Then plano-concave lens, only half of the portion lens is called as pano-concave lens. And negative meniscus. So converging lens means convex, that is positive meniscus, and diverging lens means negative meniscus. So this is the types of lenses. And then images formed due to refraction through a convex and concave lenses. So image வந்து எப்படி வந்து concave and convex மூலிமா ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். When an object is placed in front of the lens, the light rays from the object fall on the lens. The position, size and nature of the image formed can be understood only we know certain basic rules. There are 3 rules. ஸோ எப்படி வந்து இமேஜ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு 3 rules இருக்குது. There are 3 rules. So first rule we can study about concave and convex lens, both the lenses. First one is, when a ray of light strikes the concave or convex lenses obliquely at its optical center, it continues to follow its path without any deviation. Rays passing through the optical center. The center point is middle of the lens is pointed out, that is called as optical center. And then rule 2, when rays parallel to principal axis strikes a concave or convex lenses, the refracted ray or converge to convex lens or appear to diverge from concave lens, the principal focus. That is called as rule 2, ray passing parallel to the optic axis, both concave and convex lens. And rule 3, when a ray passing through convex lens are directed towards concave lens, the principal focus strikes a convex or concave lenses. So the refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. This is the 3 rules.